Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the English class of Bharti Boarding School. My name is Chitrita Mukherjee. I am your English teacher. Today I will teach you the chapter The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Okay. I am starting the chapter The Road Not Taken. Do you know who is the poet of this poem? I can't hear you. You are mute.
Ma'am, Robert Frost is a poet of this poem.
Yes, you were right. Okay, so this poem is about a deep philosophy. Okay, I am not going into that deep philosophy. I am explaining it in a little details. Okay, as you are in class 9, you must know a little details about it. But I am not going into the deep philosophy behind the poem. If you want to hear it, I will say it in another day. Okay, if you are interested in it. Okay, so the poem is about choosing a path. Okay, now you can unmute yourself for a few minutes. Okay, so the poem is about philosophy, which is about choosing a path. In our life, we are always having two paths. Okay, and we generally get confused that which path we have to choose. Okay, so choice becomes very confusing for us, and we at all don't know what will the result of the path. Okay, so the poem is actually about choice and result of it. Okay, so as wise you were to take the right path, the result will be so beautiful. Okay, here is a note. This well-known poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common, ordinary experiences. Robert Frost is like that. He always writes in simple language, but there lies a deep philosophy. Okay. Okay, so you can start reading the poem. Before reading the poem, I just want to introduce a little bit about the poem. The road not taken is a symbolical poem. Okay, this is a
Yes, ma'am.
symbol of life. That means the road is the symbol of life. The poet says that the path that we don't choose in our life is the road not taken. So here is the significance of the title. The path we don't choose is the road not taken, and the path we chose is the path that we have taken. Okay, he describes his feelings about that choice that he had left in the past. The path which we have chosen decides us our future, about the whole life and our destination. The important message that the poet wants to give is that the choice that we make has an impact on our life in our whole future. And if we make a wrong choice, we regret it for, and later always it happens that we regret it for our choice. So we must be wise while making choices in our life. Okay, this is the main
Yes, ma'am.
this is the main theme of the poem, and now you can start reading the poem.
Okay, ma'am. The roads diverged in a yellow wood. I'm sorry I could not travel both, and we one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth.
Okay, so
Then took the other,
no, no,
just
no,
as
no,
fair.
just stop. I am explaining it, then you will continue the next
Okay.
paragraph. Okay, so can you say me in your own words what he is trying to say? It is very simple language, no words is hard here, so you can only explain in your own words. Okay, is what the poet is
Ma'am,
trying to say.
ma'am, poet is trying to say that uh, there are always two paths in our life, one right and wrong. So the poet can't travel these two paths along. They, the poet can travel only one path,
Yes, so the
which is
poet,
right.
yes, no, the poet don't know which which way is the right way. Okay, we don't know, we always don't know that which path is right for us, which path is wrong for us. Okay, he just has two options. He has to choose one of them between. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Okay, so a road is here live and it has diverged. What is the meaning of diverged?
Ma'am, diverged.
Diverged, yes.
Ma'am, separate from another route and
Yes,
go in
yes,
different
yes.
direction.
Yes, it is separated from one another and it is going in different direction. That is diverged. Okay, what do you know? What is the meaning of yellow wood?
No, ma'am.
Yellow wood means obviously the forest. And why it is yellow? Because the when we see the leaves are drying, it becomes yellow. You have seen this. Okay, so it becomes when it becomes dry, it becomes yellow. Okay, that's why the one of the way is going to the forest and it is full with yellow leaves. Okay, so here the poet is saying that he is just describing or narrating a time that when he was walking down a road and then there was a diversion. It's a very simple one. Are you there? Okay, a very simple one. Okay, there were two different paths and he had to choose one out of them. The poet says that as he was one person, he could not travel both in a time. He had to choose one out of these two roads. Yellow wood means a forest with leaves which are wearing out and they have turned yellow in color as it dried. Okay, are you there?
Then took the other just as
No,
fair
no, no, no.
and having
Wait. I haven't completed it. Okay. Okay. It represents a word which is full of people where people have been living for many years. So they are growing old. Okay. They represent people who are older than the poet, and so we always took the path where majority is going or our elders are going. So now it has become yellow because it has become old. They represent the people who are older than the poet. The poet kept standing there and looked at the path very carefully as far as he could see it. So, before taking the path, he wanted to know how it was. Was it suitable for him or not? He was able to see the path till from where it curved, after which it was covered with trees and was hidden. It happens in all of our life that uh, we are always confused that whether this path is right for us or not. Okay, whether it is suitable for us or not. Okay, now you read the next paragraph.
then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, too as poor that the passing there had warm, then really about the same.
Okay, so try to explain me the second stanza.
But ma'am,
You try to explain the second stanza. I said that.
I don't understand, ma'am.
Okay, so then he decides to take the alternative path. So, but he is again confused about it, that whether it will be suitable for him or not. Okay, and the passers-by were also uh, giving him warning that this is not right, but that way was very fair. Okay, so the next one.
And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how well it's on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back.
Okay. So the poet says that both the pearls were similar that morning. Both had leaves on them, and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color, so no yellow color. He decided that that day he would take one path and keep the other path for another day. Although he knew that one way leads on to another way, he knew that he could not go back on the choice that he had made. In our life we can't go back to the choice we already made for once. Okay, we can't correct it, and make our future better when we regret for the choice. Okay, and similarly, you know that the way he has chosen, he can't return back from that. Okay, read the next stanza.
I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference.
Yes. So he says that in the future he will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time he had reached such a point in life that there were two options for him, and he traveled on that road which had been traveled upon by lesser number of people. So he don't went for the majority. Okay, he did something that nobody else are doing. Okay, he chose something that is not very much popular. Okay, the choice that you made you what you become of it. This is a very strong message for the poem that a poet is giving us, and it is kind of experience. When someone goes to a way, he experiences it, and he will then say that whether it is right path or not, whether you should go for the unpopular path. Okay, that is what needed. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so he still don't know that which path was better. Okay, this one or the previous one that he hadn't choose, but he is very satisfied with his choice, because he said that the last line, see the last line, I took the one less traveled by, means he didn't go for the popular one or major choice. Okay, that was the difference of him from the others. So it was a wise choice according to him. Clear? Any doubts, Sansi?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I am giving an overall explanation that, as I said, that here lies a beautiful philosophy that we have two choice every time. One is free will, and another is destination, obviously. So, not always that we get a choice to choose a path. Okay, most of the time we don't get a choice even to select a path, but we have to go for a path. But when we have the choice that I can select a path within these two, then we must make a choice uh, with wisely. Okay, so we must think about it, that which path is suitable for us, and must not think the path is right which is attaining by the majority. Okay, not the major path is good for us. It is not like that. And the main thing that is, uh, I can give you two good examples, means very easy examples. We always have two paths before exam, means before, uh, when we have enough, we are blessed with enough time to study before exam, then we have two paths. But either we can read the whole day, study hard, or what is the another way we have, that we can enjoy our life, have fun till the exam, start having fun with our life, with our condition, and with our marks, right? So here the choice is yours. Which path will you choose? Okay, your marks will depend on that path. Means that will be the result of your choice. And if you regret for your choice, then you have no way. Means it happens that when you were studying for the whole day, you were studying hard, but your marks is not satisfactory. Then you think that why I studied so much. I am getting a average marks, so it would be better if I hang out with my friends and do something else instead of studying the whole day. Then also you regret. And when you also think that my marks is not good because I didn't devoted more time in my study. I had fun. I went to it here and there with my friends. I attended this party, those party. That's why my exam is not good, and I am now regretting for my marks. That is also a choice. Okay, so both of this choice can make you feel regret, but you don't have the option to. You can gather experience from it, and you can choice a better you can choose a better option next time, but not that you can go back to your past and change the choice and make your future better. Okay, you don't have that option with you. that is
Yes.
the that is the main story. Means main theme. That is the main theme. And another example I can give you from the practical life, that is you can devote your time in reading books, not the book of your school, but the story books or different type of books, and seeing the good movies. Okay, English movies, Hindi movies, or whatever. You can do that. And also you have another path to spend your life with doing social media. Okay, and that social media which is very good for people, means it gives people very enjoyment, a great enjoyment. And you can do that also. You can spend your time by playing games in your phone or video games. And then after that you can regret that why I did it. And now I am feeling depressed. Most of the time it happens that after doing social media for a long time you feel depressed. Okay, so and especially if you play game in your phone or computer, it it leads you in the path of depression. Okay, that also a regression. And you will think that why I did it, now I will deactivate it. And the next time you will feel you missed something, a good opportunity in social media, and you that time was avoiding all the social media sites. That is also another kind of regret. So I can't conclude, or you can't conclude, that this path was better, this path is not better. We can't conclude it here. You can say me your experience, I can share with you my experience. The only thing we can do is not choose the path which major people is choosing. Okay, because most of the case it happens that the path which major people are choosing is not at all correct, means it will lead you in a bad position. If in case of business, you can see that a businessman who starts a business in a field that is not popular much. Okay, since there are not much businessman about with this business in his area, then he has a chance of good profit. But if he thinks that I will do something that most of the businessmen are doing, and they are getting a good profit from it, then maybe he can face a loss in the later life. And also the vice versa can happen, that the people who is doing the with doing means going with the unpopular business idea will also face a loss. Okay, that can also happen. So that is the actual philosophy of the poem, that you can just choose one thing and you have to make your decision wisely. But you can't say that this path was better, this path was good. You can see here the two paths described by the poet is not, one of them is not perfect. Okay, both has some uh, negative points as well as positive points. One second,
Yes.
Sad is calling me. Okay. Hello. Is there? गुड आफ्टरनून। अच्छी हूँ सर। सर एक्चुअली क्लास चल रही है 9 के साथ। हाँ हाँ सर। हाँ है यस सर, ये क्लास के बाद हम फ्री है। 7 का, अच्छा ठीक है सर। ठीक है सर। ओके ओके सर। Okay, sir called me actually. That's why I have to attend the call. Okay. Uh, okay, where was I? Okay, I was saying that. So the two parts described here are also not correct. Okay. Both has some negative side and positive side as well. Okay. That was the problem. What is happening? I think someone is doing meeting with this link. Do you know that? You can see my screen. You can see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can see there is a option end meeting for all or leave meeting.
What, ma'am?
You can see there is a option end meeting for all or leave meeting showing in my screen.
No, ma'am.
You can't see it. Okay, I don't know why you can't see it. Okay, I think I have to leave the meeting. No option is there. I have two options. One is end meeting for all and leave meeting. What should I do? I don't know.
Ma'am, you have
Say.